Let's go right now to Mike Lomas of the Financial Guys as we reach a milestone for the Dow, a close of 30,000 for the first time. Mike, first off, how significant is this 30,000 milestone?
Well, it's funny because, 30,000 isn't much different than 29.99, right? But there is something special about, those big milestones, whether it's been 10,000 or 20,000 and now 30,000 on the Dow. So, is your 401k going to change much if it's 29.99 as opposed to 30? No, but it's certainly nice to see, especially in light of what we've gone through as investors over the last 12 months.
It sounds like certainty seems to be back on Wall Street.
Well, I think part of it is certainty. We're looking at, Wall Street. It was clear that Wall Street wanted Donald Trump to win. But secondly, if we were to line up, what Wall Street wanted, second was they did not want to fight. And it does look like Donald Trump is going to cooperate with, the Biden team and, making sure that there's a peaceful transfer of power. So that was part of it. The other part of it is it just, vaccine hopes and, the positive news that we can continue to get from companies like Pfizer. And you really saw a rotation today. The Dow is made up of only 30 stocks, but we saw companies like Carnival Cruise, United Airlines, Chevron, J.P. Morgan, American Express, some what I would consider old economy stocks. It's been technology. Everything's been tech with this COVID problem over the last 12 months. But it's nice to really see some rotation, which is actually what's driving the Dow to record levels. So that's great. Rotation is important, and seeing some of the old economy stocks come back is just as important. You've got to have a little bit wider breadth in the market to really see a full bull market or a push to higher levels. It can't just be one or two sectors driving the market. So that was good to see a little bit broader exposure today.
And very quickly, how much longer could this record run continue?
Well, what we've been saying to our clients is let's, be happy, let's be optimistic, but also let's be patient. And I can tell you that we've been rebalancing our accounts and taking some profits off the table. I mean, there is a lot of speculation out there. There is a lot of damage that continues to be done in the economy. We're seeing that here in Erie County where we're shutting down businesses again. A lot of those businesses are not going to survive. So I think this is a lot of speculation. And I'm not saying you can't go farther. I'm not a market timer. There's been a lot of cash that's been prepped up on the sidelines that could continue to push the markets further and higher. There's not a lot of alternatives out there when savings accounts are paying zero. There's also been a lot of economic damage that's been done. And I think it's really prudent when you hit these milestones, whether it's been 20,000 or 30,000, is to just take a little profits off the table and maybe set them aside for a rainier day or some kind of a pullback.